Hello, computer science students and students who have had me for computer science before. I'm going to give you a little bit of instruction in our next stuff, which is in Codesters. Codesters is an online program that teaches Python, and Python is the #1 coding software in the entire computer science industry at this point in time. So I thought we would head this direction. I thought you guys would enjoy it and get a little taste if you wanted to do computer science in high school. So our website, and if you look at the message I gave you, either I sent it to you through your email if you are a previous student of mine, or if you are in computer science for 4th hour this semester, then yeah, you got it in your Tuesday announcement. It gave you the website, which is Codesters, and you'll also see the classroom key. I'm going to show you how you get into the site and basically what you're going to do every day. So we'll go start with login. You're going to go ahead and you are going to go to log in. You are going to choose sign in with Google. You're going to find yourself. I'm going in as a student. Otherwise, it won't show you right. Okay. And then it's going to say what kind of a codester are you, and you definitely want to choose you are a student. You're going to put in the class key that I sent you. And you're going to go ahead and join our class. And you're going to go to sign up as a student. So you're going to put in your email. And your password. And you're going to go to sign up as student. And it says, all right, what is your name? So I'm going to go ahead and put in my name according to my sign-in. Oops. And I'm going to go to start coding. Okay, and it starts to look scary. So the first thing that they're going to tell you is they're going to give you a preview of what you're going to do. They're going to give you objectives, use a background, create a sprite, use actions to make your sprite move, and you're going to use a click event to make your program interactive. So this is something that they did. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Each thing that you do, you are going to read the top. And it says preview. Before we get started making our very first program, let's look at the example. So it says click run. So this is run. And when you click this, it will show you what's supposed to happen. And then you go ahead and click on him and he does something. When you get this check plus, that means you got all the points. Then you hit submit. And next, we're going to do that in a second. If you see anything else but a check plus, then you need to make adjustments. So we're going to do a couple of the activities together so I can send you on your way. So I'm going to go to, since I got the check plus, I'm going to go to submit work. And then it's going to go to next. So the next thing that we're going to do, it says we're going to get started by adding a background image to the stage. Now, The stage is this part right here. This is our coding environment. This is our toolkit over here on the left. And this is our instructions up here. Now, if you look up here, you can see these are all little activities that you have to complete. Now, you don't have to do them all today. We're only going to do a couple at a time. The last 3, this one is like a little quiz. This one is an extend, so you can take something that you've already got and make improvements to it. And the last one is a create and start from scratch. Now, I know a lot of you like to get creative. Yes, I know you. Do not get creative on any of these previous activities up to this point. Because if you do, you're not going to get the points for doing the activity. You can get creative on the very last one. Creative only here. So let's look at what we're supposed to do on this one. It says in the toolkit on the left-hand side of the screen, find the stage. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the stage. It says in the toolkit. You're going to find the stage and click on it, and then you'll have all these blue blocks down below, and it says find the block labeled summer. So when I click on summer, it says click and hold, and you can drag it over here into the code editor. And there we got it. And then release. Click save and run. Great job. You got your check plus, submit, and next. And it'll take us to the next step of our assignment. Now, what we're going to do is I'm only going to have you work on this for about 15 minutes a day. We'll probably do one of these complete activities in a week. That looks kind of scary, but you saw just how long that one step took. So we'll do the next one. Symbols are very important. Be sure you don't delete quotes or parentheses or anything that's in there that goes with the words. Otherwise, it won't run right. So it says in this one, click into the code editor and change the image labeled from summer to winter. So all I'm going to do is click in here. And I'm going to change summer to winter. I didn't get rid of anything else. I'm going to go to save and run. And it says, great job, submit, and next. Then it's going to have a debugging type of exercise every so often. That means you have to look at the code and make a repair. So it says rule. Image labels must have quotes around them. So you're going to go ahead and hit click on the save and run. And it's going to say, wait a minute, unclosed string on line 1. Did you forget a quote? So if I look back at this, I have to say, oh, if I have one set of quotes, then I have to have another set of quotes. And I'll change that to city, fix it, run the program. Great job debugging. I got my check plus, submit, and next. And you can see just how long this is going to take. So I'll probably have you do about 4 things a day, and then we'll go from there. That's what I'll probably assign you. As a teacher, I can go in and I can look at these to see where you are. So by the end of the week, basically, so today is Tuesday. So by next Tuesday, you should have the entire thing completed. So we'll probably be able to finish We have 3 lessons, and then we can go on in and look at some other stuff that goes with Python. Like I said, I think this is a really good program to get started with, and so you can kind of learn the basics of Python. If you have trouble with something, if you go to support down here at the bottom, it will, and you tell the problem, or you copy, it'll copy your code. It will email me and it will email them, and I'll be able to get back to you and help you with any problems that you have. If there's any questions that you have, just go ahead. You can email me through Google Classroom or leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you enjoy this as much as I think you will. Have a great week. Bye-bye.